all get sorted out with air traffic control, we do have to wait here some more minutes. So we're expecting to start our engines currently in around 40 minutes from now, and we'll be taxiing out towards the westerly runway here. We have a request in with air traffic control to improve this, so if they do get any space in the system, they'll be letting us go as soon as they can. We'll keep you informed if we do get any improvement, and we're also talking to our company to try and get things moving along. That being said, once we do get going, a flight time around 1 hour and 45 minutes, a cruising altitude of initially 38,000 feet. And the weather in London, well, we do have a few showers coming in later in the evening, but at the moment it's looking mostly dry, and temperatures around 18 degrees Celsius. A couple of introductions from us on board. My name's Rob Joseph.
Large devices including laptops must be switched off and stored in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Check your devices not get lost within your seats. If it does, please do not move it, but let one of the cabin crew know. Devices must be